What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today what I have for you is pretty much just a basic repair on a snowblower. So let me show you what I have here. So this is the snowblower. It's I think it's a Mastercraft, probably. It's an old one, so you know it has some issues right in there, but does the job, gets the job done. So the main reason why is the way it is because, as you can see right here, there's a crack as much as here, and the other side is way worse than this. Let me try to there you go. Oh, so as you can see, it starts here, way down here. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I need to repair this thing because, obviously if this cracks all the way down there, there's not gonna be so much snow going down this snowblower, so this is what I'm gonna do today with the TIG. Obviously I might be, I could do it with the MIG, but I just don't want any fumes, and the gas tank is right here. I don't want to take it off. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Just a wire wheel. So let's do it. Yeah. This is not working, so .332 disc. So let's try that. 3/32, sorry. So what I want to say is, basically, when you have these kinds of broken parts, if you want to say, like if, for example, this crack, I could, just pretty much weld it all the way up, but for what I want to say is, what I'm gonna do pretty much is drill a hole pretty much here. The fact is, when you have these kinds of repair to do, when there's a crack, it's always beneficial to drill a hole outside of the crack, so that the crack will not continue to go down, So I'm gonna drill a hole. It doesn't have to be a big hole, just I don't know, like 1/8 maybe, just an 8. And right here, I might do it, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna see as I go. So I will do this side next. So stay tuned. Alright, so this side is gonna be tricky. Yeah, as I expected. Yeah. All right. So alright, so 3/16 drill. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so right now I have you set with a automatic shade. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but I guess we'll see with each other. So let's do this. Alright, so from now on, I gotta go. I gotta do downhill. So I'm trying to make that happen, as well as yeah.
Alright, so there's clearly oil on the metal, so this causes me porosity. So if you see sprinkles or anything like that, it's because there's porosity on the metal. So yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm done with the welds. It was pretty much easy, you know. Let me show you in just a second. So this is one side. I'll show you the other side. Here we go. So I'll get it prepped for some paint, and I'll show you the final result with the paint done and everything. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. As you can see, I painted it. Obviously it's not the same red, but doesn't really matter because it's a snowblower, you know, so who cares. So yeah, if you like this kind of content, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. You know, if you can subscribe, I would appreciate it, you know, because one day I hope this channel is gonna grow. So yeah, I have another video coming up. It's gonna be about welding. I have some aluminum to weld. So and also make sure to comment. I did try some new things this time. So when I was welding earlier, I was showing you the lens, you know. So what I did was I took my phone and I pretty much put this on the camera. So I'm not sure how it's gonna be shown in the video. I have to check it later, but if you make sure to tell me in the comments if you like seeing when I'm welding, you know, because this project right here, it's gonna be full of welding. So if you want me to show you with the lens, you know, the puddle and everything, make sure to tell me in the comments, and I'll make that happen. So catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.